With a concerning rise in crime, the city council called on Mayor Adams to include a raft of education, mental health, and community-based social service programs in his new budget.
They say the additions are the key to public safety. CBS 2 political reporter Marcia Kramer has more.
They gathered on the steps of City Hall to flex their muscles. Members of the City Council who say more cops are not the only answer to solving the city's troubling surge in violence.
So much of the focus of conversation in our city has been about public safety and the challenges we face with both a perceived and actual lack of safety for New Yorkers. Yet, the conversation too often is incomplete.
The council, made up of a number of members who favor cuts to the NYPD budget, called on the mayor to prioritize youth, health, and opportunity programs, like adding an additional 12,000 summer youth employment slots, improving the 911 mental health response, and establishing 24-hour overdose prevention centers in every borough.
Our communities are experiencing crises on many fronts.
This as the latest NYPD crime statistics show the 7 major crime categories rose again last week by nearly 32%, 223 crimes compared to 163 in 2021, up nearly 43% for the year. Subway crimes are up almost 45% last week, 65% for the year, driven by increases in assaults.
We have seen an increase in the area of 33% this year in felony assaults when compared to 2021. It accounts for about 29% of our total major crime picture.
This is Mayor Adams again talked about rolling out a pilot program of metal detectors in the subways in the wake of the Sunset Park subway shooting.
We found a number of interesting devices that can detect guns. We want to do pilot projects. We're still working out the details because we want to make sure that we are protecting constitutional rights when we do so, but we are closer to rolling out a pilot project, and I'm excited about it.
This comes as the NYPD Inspector General says she's initiated an investigation into why cameras in a number of subway stations weren't transmitting pictures during the Sunset Park shooting. The acting transit president defended the camera system, pointing out it picked up images of the suspect getting on and off the train and riding a bus. In the newsroom, I'm Marcia Kramer, CBS 2 News.
And the mayor offered no timetable on how soon a pilot metal detector program would be installed in the subways.